Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 3, Operation. Monitoring. Monitor the status and performance of your Elastic Disaster Recovery (EDR) setup regularly to ensure that replication is occurring as expected and that you are prepared for a disaster. Use the EDR console to view replication status, latency, and other metrics. Set up alarms and notifications to alert you to any issues. Troubleshooting. Troubleshoot common issues that may arise during the operation of EDR, such as network connectivity problems, replication errors, and resource limitations. Use the EDR console, AWS CloudWatch logs, and other monitoring tools to identify and resolve issues promptly. Best practices for operation. Follow best practices to ensure the smooth operation of EDR, including regularly reviewing and updating your disaster recovery plan, testing your disaster recovery plan and procedures regularly to ensure they are effective, monitoring replication status and performance metrics to identify and address any issues promptly, implementing security measures to protect your data during replication and recovery, training your team on disaster recovery procedures and roles, documenting your disaster recovery plan and procedures for reference during an actual disaster. Consider automating routine tasks and implementing infrastructure as code (IAC) practices to improve efficiency and consistency in your disaster recovery operations. This module covers the operation of Elastic Disaster Recovery, including monitoring replication status and performance, troubleshooting common issues, and following best practices for operation.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.